Hello friends, in this video I will show how to save games on the Steam cloud. So open Steam. So open Steam. So open Steam account. Then here click on library. Here guys you will see games. Right click on games. Now here click on properties. So firstly click on library. Now here right click on your game. Then here click on properties. Now just guys you have to check this box. Keep games saves in the Steam cloud for clicker. So just guys you have to save and you need to check this box. Then close and reopen your Steam. So thanks for watching, share, like and subscribe this channel.